Yo.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We're here in the studio. I'm about to shoot. You're just getting ready. The title of the video is, how to shoot. I'm probably not gonna teach you guys how to shoot, but you guys can watch me. So yeah. Excited. Okay. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're here again with another YouTube video, and by the title of the video, I'm pretty sure you guys know what we're doing exactly. So we're gonna go pick up one of my friends. You guys have seen it in previous videos. Her name is Yu, and I'm extremely excited. Some of you guys may know this or not, but I'm like a retired photographer. You know what I'm saying? But there are certain times where I actually do go out and shoot. This is one of those times. And we're gonna shoot with Yu. She has some pretty dope outfits that we're gonna be shooting in. And I'm really excited about that because she goes all out. Today we're gonna shoot one of her dresses. It was $3,000. I'm like, what the why would you waste so much on a dress? And she was telling me, oh, it's because it's a runway dress. Pretty much it's been into like...
Fashion Expo.
There's a word for it, but
We'll put it on.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's go.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Point us to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky. I'm out. Leave regrets and wishes and hopes and builds. Wondering what will happen. Leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and alive. I'm young, wild and alive. 'Cause fear's not part of the plan. Taking the wheel into my own hands. You know I see me foot on the best time. If I want to, I'll never learn. And if I want to watch me, I can. Circle the globe and do it again. Wishes and hopes and builds.
Alright, so we out here. We're gonna go do some shopping because you have to get something, and then we're probably gonna go shoot in the studio.
Dreams die, this moment I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and alive. I'm young, wild and alive. Things are getting complicated. Nothing's gonna stop this shit from sinking down.
Jesus.
Think we need some mediation.
Yo.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We're here in the studio. I'm about to shoot. You're just getting ready. The title of the video is, how to shoot. I'm probably not gonna teach you guys how to shoot, but you guys can watch me. So yeah. Excited. Okay.